Good morning. Well, that was a nippy one. I think it went down to -1, -2 touching in the night, but I have to say I was snug as a bug. Got a silk liner and me ice flame quilt on the thermarest. Slept all night, so feel much better. Bit stiff, but a bit of stretching and we'll be all right. But look at that. Look, what a sight. Little cloud inversion and sunrise on its way. How about that? Oh, beautiful day for a bit of walking this morning. Just pop some of my stuff away. It's not even 6 o'clock yet. I reckon we'll be on walking by about 6:30. Right, time is it 6:30? I should have done this, should have checked earlier, shouldn't I? 6:30, and we're packed. That's how it works when you're doing this. So we're up with the larks. Everything's all tidied and checked and haven't left anything as we found it. Standard practice. So we are packed up and we're going to head over to there, sort of Sunnybridge way, I think it is. So beautiful morning. Been blessed with this. Sun's up. Feel a bit of warmth. Cloud inversion. Head on over to Dave's channel. He's been a bit more proactive than me. Done some beautiful drone scenery, some time lapses. So well worth a watch. Me, can't be arsed. I just want to survive the walk now, so you'll get clips of me jabbering away like this on the route. But yeah, cracking morning, and this bit I think is going to be proper wild country and quite scenic. Beautiful light over those hills that we're heading on. Nice early start, we feel fresh. So we've got a few hours sort of ahead of the game where we can get some miles done, and we're going to stop. There's a little viewpoint on the map, probably about 1 mile or 2 out from here. So we're going to check that out and probably have some breakfast there. So if there's a little bench or something, Stu, we do follow the law, we'll dive in there and get our muesli on the go. That's where we camped last night, up on that thing there. We just dropped off there this morning and come back up sort of halfway. That's the valley we started up from. Whew. No wonder my blooming legs were tired last night. Right, we're heading on over there towards those clumps of trees. Okay. We are now entering the Sunnybridge military training zone. The red flag is up. I kind of hope that doesn't mean anything. Maybe they just forgot to take it down. Sure, it'll be fine. Okay, right, we're coming to the end of the firing zone. So that's behind us there. The road's just up there. I think we've kind of gone a bit off-piste here. The way markers took us to the right over there, but the route on my GPS stayed on the road. So anyway, we chose the road because it's easier going, isn't it? But it was a little bit further. There's a sign of spring for you, cuckoo. Okay, 9 o'clock. We're at the viewpoint. What a view as well. And we're having breakfast. So Dave's boiling up some water for his expedition muesli. And we're having expedition breakfast, there you go. I've got a homemade one here. I use just porridge oats, milk powder, brown sugar and dried fruit. Bit of coconut, decimated or desiccated coconut. And some cinnamon, and I'll tell you what, that puts hairs on your chest. So I'm just warming it through, and I'm going to get into that. Well, we're leaving the road What a road. I'll have to check that out one day. And then we go past this little bus shelter, and we're going down there, down a spur. So this is going to be tough on the knees. Actually not looking forward to this any more than I look forward to going uphill. But we're trying to work out, I'm going to guess that that little village there might be Llanwrtyd Wells, and then we might call it a day there, or I think we've got to get over to that one at the back is where we sort of Llanwrtyd Wells. Just you can see a few ups and downs there, and we are feeling it. I don't know, we've got to see how it goes. We've got to be there for one, otherwise we miss the train. Okay, we've come down off that spur over there. We've dropped down onto this little lane now, and plodding our way through there. We're at Llanelli Wells, I think that's how you say it. Station's just here. I think we're going to push on to the next one. It's starting to get a bit tight because we're getting slower as the morning progresses, but we'll do it. Sorry Stu, gonna have to break the law today. Got a train to catch that way. Whew. Bit of road work there, a little bit of lane work, and you can see we're going up and over there. So we are now on the bit to the second train station. So we are doing it, we haven't cut it short. Tempting though it was. Tadpoles. A few less now.
Almost there.
I think we're about to sort of start to leave the hills for a bit. We're dropping down this, what I would say is an old drover's road, and we should pick up a road at the end and then down into town. So, geez, that's the end of that bridleway. Funny, whatever it is, Wells should be just in there, and oh yeah, we have sort of gone a bit quicker than we probably would, because we just don't want to miss that one train. There's only 2 a day, there's only one that's of any use, so we have gone a bit quicker than we probably should, so we're going to pay for that later. That is a welcome sight, the end of the walk. That's plenty. Right, that's it. We are buggered. Best part of 29 miles, I think that was. Found a Greggs on the way back into town. Oh, that was good. Absolutely knackered. Really loved it. Nice to push yourself, isn't it? And so we're just getting back to the car, and then Dave's kind of going to take me home, and then I'm going to shower and go to bed. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Get yourself out on the Heart of Wales line. Mixed bag. I'll tell you all about that in another video. But yeah, good adventures. See you later.